Now let's look at the EV fire. These behave very differently, and that's where my background in R&D and failure analysis comes into play. I worked as a mechanical engineer in the auto industry for as long as I've been a firefighter. Recently, a big part of my job was developing the battery box structure for electric vehicles, studying how these batteries fail, but also understanding how to contain that failure inside the battery box itself. It's not about just slapping batteries into a vehicle. I spent a lot of time trying to understand why these batteries fail and analyzing what happens during these larger thermal runaway events. This kind of research helps engineers understand what can go wrong, but it also is important for firefighters to know what they're up against. Now, let's compare that F 150 with the EV fire. It takes 9 seconds for this EV to start ripping, and that's compared to an ICE vehicle at 4.5 minutes. And that's just to have visible flames, and around 6.5 minutes for that F 150 to be really ripping. I know, it's a bit subjective, but how fast that fire progresses is just part of the problem.